Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mixed vegetables without onion and garlic. First, select a colorful assortment of fresh vegetables such as carrots, green beans, peas, and potatoes. Thoroughly wash and chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Next, gather your aromatic spices like grated ginger, finely chopped green chilies, and whole cumin seeds. This simple preparation ensures a flavorful and quick cooking experience. Now let's begin the cooking process. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil or ghee in a large, heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of whole cumin seeds and allow them to splutter, releasing their fragrant aroma. Immediately after, add your grated ginger and finely chopped green chilies, sautéing them for approximately 1 minute until fragrant. This step builds a wonderful flavor base. Next, it's time to add our prepared vegetables to the pan. Start with the harder vegetables, such as carrots and potatoes, cooking them for about 5 minutes to soften slightly. Then, incorporate the softer vegetables like green beans and fresh peas. Now, season generously with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything well to ensure the spices evenly coat all the vegetables. Finally, cover the pan with a lid and let the mixed vegetables simmer gently for about 10 to 12 minutes. This allows the vegetables to cook through and become tender. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Once done, remove from heat, garnish generously with freshly chopped cilantro, and serve your delicious, onion-garlic-free mixed vegetables hot. It pairs wonderfully with warm flatbread or steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.